Trigonometry, Part 15.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the continuation. Sixth question. If a plus b plus c equals 180, then prove that cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 minus cos square c by 12 is 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. So, see our solution. Consider the LHS value. So, what is that? Cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 minus cos square c by 2. Okay. Now see here, how to write cos square b by 2 minus cos square c by 2. See here, you know that one formula, cos square b minus cos square a. So this formula is sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Okay. So we have to apply this formula for last two terms. Now this is cos square a by 2. So clear it in the form of cos square b minus cos square a. How to write sin of a plus b? So plus sin of a plus b means we have to add these two. C by 2 plus b by 2, that is b plus c by 2, and sin of a minus b. See here, this is a and this is b. A minus b, that is c minus b. So c minus b by 2. So see here, we know that a plus b plus c is equal to 5. So that is given. You want b plus c by 2. So divide both sides with 2. A by 2, b plus c by 2, 5 by 2. Now b plus c by 2 is equal to what? 5 by 2 minus c by 2. Again you need sign ratio. So apply sign on both sides. See here, sin of b plus c by 2 is equal to sin of 90 minus c by 2. So 90 minus in the first quadrant, sin is positive and sign changes to cos. So this is cos a by 2. So right here. So therefore this is cos square a by 2. So how to write sin b plus c by 2? Cos a by 2. Cos a by 2. And here minus is come. You will get b minus c by 2. So in both terms cos a by 2 is come. So what you get? Cos a by 2 and remaining value plus sin of minus of b minus c by 2. So sin of minus theta is minus. So here you will get minus sin b minus c by 2. Again how to write cos a by 2? Sin of b plus c by 2. So here this is cos a by 2 sin of b plus c by 2 minus sin of b by 2 minus c by 2. Okay. So simply this can be also written as b by 2 plus c by 2. So you know that sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b form 2 cos a sin b. Okay. So therefore this is cos a by 2 into 2 cos a. A is what? B by 2. So 2 cos b by 2 and sin b. B is what? C by 2. So sin c by 2. So this is what? 2 cos a by 2. Next cos b by 2. Next sin c by 2. So this is the required answer. So see the next one. If a plus b plus c equals 5, then prove that this one. So first consider the LHS value. So see our solution. What is LHS? Cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Okay. So to prove this value is 2 times of 1 plus sin a by 2, sin b by 2 and sin c by 2. Okay. So here all terms are plus. Okay. So for that, first we have to change either first or second or third into sin. Now we have to apply cos square a minus sin square b formula. So see here, this cos square a by 2 can be written as 1 minus sin square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Okay. Now this can be written as 1 plus cos square b by 2 minus sin square a by 2. Okay. Now cos square c by 2 write as 1 minus sin square c by 2. Okay. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we have to apply the formula cos square b minus sin square a formula. See here, cos square b minus sin square a formula is cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So we have to apply that formula. Now this is cos of a plus b. We have to add these two. That is a plus b by 2. Next cos of, subtract these two. That is b minus a by 2 minus sin square c by 2. Now see here, a plus b plus c is equals to 180. Okay. So divide with 2, a plus b by 2, c by 2, 5 by 2. So from this, a plus b by 2 is equals to what? 5 by 2 minus c by 2. And here you want cos ratio. So apply cos. Cos of a plus b by 2. So this is cos of 90 minus c. So 90 minus theta, it lies in first quadrant. So clearly this is positive and cos changes to sine. So right here. Now 2 plus this is sine c by 2. So this can be also written as cos of a minus b by 2. So both are same because of here ratio is cos. Minus sin square c by 2. In both terms sin c by 2 is common. So 2 plus sin c by 2 is common. You will get cos of a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. Now this is 2 plus sin c by 2 cos of a by 2 minus b by 2. And how to write sin c by 2? See here, cos of a by 2 plus b by 2. Cos of a by 2 plus b by 2. So you know the one formula, that is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So this is 2 sin a sin b. Okay, here this is what? 2 plus sin c by 2. So what is this formula? A is a by 2 and b is b by 2. So cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So write as 2 sin a sin b. So this is 2 sin a by 2 sin b. So in both terms 2 is common. So 2 of 1 plus sin a by 2. Next sin b by 2 sin c by 2. So this is the required answer. So see the next question. If a plus b plus c equals 180, then prove that cos a plus cos b minus cos c value is what? Minus 1 plus 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. Okay. So see our solution. Given a plus b plus c is equals to 180. And consider the LHS. So what is that? Cos a plus cos b plus minus cos. Okay. Minus cos. Now see here, you need to prove this value. So here 2 terms are cos, 1 term is sin. Okay. Here cos is there, here sin c by 2 is there. So clearly you have to write cos c in terms of sin. Okay. So because of answer is sin c by 2. So see here, you have to apply cos c plus cos d form. So what is that? 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. So we have to write cos c in terms of sin. So clear that is what? 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. Okay. That is the formula of cos. Now this is minus 1. So write first plus this one. 2 cos A plus B by 2. So how to write cos A plus B by 2? See here. A plus B plus C is equals to 5. Divide with 2. So clearly A plus B by 2 is equals to 90 minus C by 2. And apply cos on both sides. So cos of A plus B by 2 is equals to what? Cos of 90 minus C by 2. That is sin C by 2. So right here 2 sin C by 2 cos A minus B minus into minus plus 2 sin square C by 2. In both terms 2 sin C by 2 is common. Minus 1 plus 2 sin C by 2 is common. You will get cos A minus B by 2 plus this one sin C. Again outright sin C by 2 cos of A plus B by 2. So right here minus 1 plus 2 sin C by 2. This can be written as cos of A by 2 minus B by 2. And this one cos of A by 2 plus B by 2. So you know that here cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B formula, that is 2 cos A cos B. So this is equals to minus 1 plus 2 sin C by 2. See here A is A by 2, B is B by 2. So it is the form of cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, that is 2 cos A cos B. So here this is 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2. So this is what? Minus 1 plus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 and sin C by 2. So this is the RHS. See, I try to solve 9th question. This is similar to question number A. Okay. See here, a small difference is there. Here last term quotient is minus, here plus. Okay. Now apply cos C plus cos B form. Again cos C write in terms of sin. That is what? 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. So but here we got plus. Okay. So see the next question. A plus B plus C is 180. Then prove that sin A plus sin B plus sin C is 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. So consider the LHS. That is sin A plus sin B plus sin C. Okay. So first we have to apply sin C plus sin D for first two terms. So you know that sin C plus sin D formula 2 sin A plus B by 2. Next term is cos A minus B by 2. Next, we have to write sin C form in half angles. That is what? 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. Okay. Now this is how to write sin A plus B by 2. So clearly this 2 cos C by 2. Okay. Next this one cos A minus B by 2. So plus 2 sin C by 2 cos C. Okay. See here. A plus B by 2 is equals to what? 90 minus C by 2. And apply sin on both sides. So sin of A plus B by 2 is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. That is cos theta. So cos C by 2. So that's why I am writing cos C by 2. So in both terms 2 cos C by 2 is common. What is the remaining term? Cos of A minus B by 2 plus sin C by 2. Now you apply cos. So what is cos of A plus B by 2? You will get sin C by 2. So sin C by 2 write as cos of A plus B by 2. So 2 cos C by 2 into cos of A by 2 minus B by 2. How to write sin C by 2? Cos of A by 2 plus B by 2. Okay. So you know that cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B form. This is 2 cos A cos B. Okay. So A is A by 2 and B is B by 2. So therefore this can be written as 2 cos C by 2 into cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 2 cos A cos B. That is 2 cos A by 2 cos B. So clear, this is what? 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. So this is the required answer. So for next session we will discuss more problems.